To begin, on your mobile device, go to StocktonRestaurantWeek.com. Scroll down until you see the orange box that says Stockton Restaurant Week Dine Pass and click Get Yours. In the next window, fill out the information form. Be sure to use an accessible email address and phone number, as this is where your pass link will be sent to. Once you've received your email or text, click the link to view your pass. This will open the Restaurant Week mobile pass into your web browser. For one-tap easy access to your pass, on an Apple device, click Share, Add to Home Screen, and then Add. On an Android device, click Options, Install App, and then Install. After a few moments, the pass will be available on your home screen. Once opened, you will see various food options sorted by cuisine categories. Inside each category, you will find our participating restaurant specials, offers, and where to redeem check-in deals. In the menu, you can view all participating restaurants. When you are dining at a restaurant, use your pass to participate in our check-in challenge. Check in on the mobile pass to 3 participating locations for a chance to win restaurant gift certificates, visit Stockton swag bags, and other prizes. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. And be sure to tag your tasty food photos with hashtag Stockton Restaurant Week so we can follow along your journey.